Hello! Welcome to Abby Online Teach. Today we are going to be learning a new sound. It is a digraph, and this means there are two letters, and when you see them right next to each other, remember they make one sound. So the letters today are A and I, or you might know them as A and I. So when these letters are right next to each other, because they're best friends, they make the sound A. Are you ready to practice? My turn, your turn. A. A. And let's do it in a whisper voice. A. A. And in a silly voice. A. A. Well done! Can you think of any words with the A sound in? Have a think. What about in the winter, something that's wet and cold? That's right, we have lots of rain. R-A-N, rain. Your turn. R-A-N, rain. Super sounds. Now the next word is something that's even colder and very hard. That's right, when it is freezing cold, we get lots of hail. A-L, hail. Your turn. A-L, hail. Fantastic! Can you think of any other words with the A sound in? What about something we get through our letterbox? That's right, when we get lots of post, it is called mail. M-A-L, mail. Your turn. M-A-L, mail. Awesome! The next word is something that animals have. It's long and fluffy and it is called a tail. T-A-L, tail. Your turn. T-A-L, tail. Awesome! The last word is something that lives in a shell and it's very slow and slimy. That's right, a snail. S-N-A-L, snail. Your turn. S-N-A-L, snail. That was the tricky one. Let's try it one more time and try and speed up those sounds. S-N-A-L, snail. Brilliant! I am so impressed with your sounds today. Make sure you keep practicing this sound and then you can go on to learn all of the other sounds. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss our next sound, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you next time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!